Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn account from scratch. LinkedIn is one of the most powerful professional networking platforms out there, and having an account can open doors to new job opportunities, connections, and industry insights. Let's walk through the entire setup process together. First, open your web browser and head over to LinkedIn.com. This will take you straight to LinkedIn's homepage, where you'll see various options for signing in or creating a new account. Once you're on that page, look for the button that says Join Now and click on it. This is the starting point for creating your brand new LinkedIn profile. Now you'll be prompted to enter either an email address or a phone number. Choose whichever option is most convenient for you. This will be the primary way LinkedIn communicates with you, so make sure it's an address or number you check regularly. After entering that information, you'll need to create a password. Choose something secure but memorable, then click Agree and Join to move forward. This action confirms that you accept LinkedIn's terms of service and privacy policy. Next, LinkedIn will ask you to input your first name and last name. Make sure you enter your real name as it appears professionally, since this is how colleagues, recruiters, and potential connections will find you. Once you've filled in your name, click Continue to proceed to the next step. Now it's time to add your location. LinkedIn uses this information to suggest relevant job opportunities and connections in your area. Type in your city or region, and the platform will help auto-complete the rest. This step ensures that the content you see is tailored to your geographic area. After setting your location, you'll be asked to input your job title, company, or employer. If you're currently employed, enter your current position and the company you work for. This helps LinkedIn build your professional profile and connect you with others in your industry. However, if you're a student or not currently working, you can click the toggle button that says I'm a student. This option adjusts your profile to reflect your student status, and LinkedIn will tailor your experience accordingly. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. At this point, LinkedIn will send a 6-digit verification code to the email address you provided earlier. Check your inbox and locate the email from LinkedIn. It should arrive within a few moments, but if you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Once you find the code, enter all 6 digits into the verification field on LinkedIn. And that's it. You've successfully created your LinkedIn account and can now start building your professional network, exploring job opportunities, and connecting with others in your field. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.